Hi everyone, my name is Fatimah and I'm currently studying Technology Mechanical Engineering with a focus on Naval Architecture. Today, I want to share with you an innovative approach I developed for teaching English which integrates academic content from my field of study. This method not only helps improve English skills but also makes the learning process more engaging for students, especially those who are interested in technical fields like engineering and ship design. I'll walk you through the challenges in traditional English education, how my innovation tackles those, and the benefits it offers to learners. As we all know, teaching English to secondary students, especially those with an interest in technical subjects, can be quite challenging. Many students struggle to see the value of learning English if they don't connect it to real-world applications. In fields like mechanical engineering and naval architecture, students encounter complex technical terms and concepts but often lack the language skills to fully understand them. This disconnect can make learning English feel irrelevant to their studies, and as a result, they lose interest. The challenge is to find a way to make English learning not only relevant, but also exciting by connecting it to the topic and skills that students care about, such as the engineering behind ships and marine technologies. To address this, I developed an approach that leverages naval architecture concepts to teach English. The idea is simple, with real-world engineering topics such as ship design, fluid dynamics, and propulsion system to teach English in a way that's directly relevant to students' interests. For example, instead of just memorizing vocabulary, students might learn terms like hydrodynamics or stability calculations through reading materials, videos, and discussions related to real engineering problems. This approach helps students see the practical application of the English they are learning, making the language more meaningful. Not only is this innovation low cost and low prep, but it also uses simple digital tools to enhance the learning experience like interactive diagrams and engineering simulations that are accessible even for beginners. So here's how this method works in practice. First, I select an engineering concept from naval architecture, let's say something like ship stability or propulsion systems. Then I design an English lesson around this topic. The lesson might involve reading technical papers or watching videos about how ships are designed to be stable in rough seas, and then practicing key vocabulary and concepts in English. I use 3D design software or interactive ship models to help students visualize the concepts they are learning and reinforce the language they need to describe them. We also incorporate tools like Google Documents for collaborative writing tasks, where students can work together to create explanations of engineering concepts using the new vocabulary they have learned. Throughout the lesson, students are actively engaged, as they are not just memorizing language, they are using it to talk about something they are passionate about, engineering and ship design. The results I've seen from this approach have been encouraging. First of all, students show how much higher levels of engagement when they see the relevance of English to their field of interest. By learning English through real-world topics like shipbuilding, they are more motivated to participate in class. Another key benefit is better comprehension of technical language. In my trial, students have shown greater understanding of technical terms like dynamic stability or propeller efficiency when these terms are taught in the context of the subjects they are already learning in engineering. Finally, students have reported feeling more confident in using English to discuss technical concepts, which is exactly what they need as future engineers and architects. One student mentioned, "It feels like I'm learning in English for something useful, not just random words." This feedback highlights the importance of context in language learning. In conclusion, this innovation bridges the gap between language learning and engineering by using the field of naval architecture to teach English. By incorporating real-world engineering concepts, students not only improve their English but also gain a deeper understanding of their future careers. This approach is cost-effective, easy to implement, and most importantly, it engages students by making the learning process more meaningful and connected to their real interests. I hope this encourages others to think about how we can make English learning more relevant and exciting for students in technical fields. Thank you so much for your time, and I welcome any feedback or questions. Before I end, I would like to thank everyone who has supported this project. Special thanks to my peers and professors for their insights, and to the resources that made this innovation possible. Thank you.